Good morning, my dear students. In Unit 1, we solve some numerical problems one by one. So, for solving numerical problems, first you study the problem carefully. Read problem two times or three times. A three-phase transmission line has its conductors at the corner of an equilateral triangle with side 4.5 meters. The diameter of each conductor is 20 mm. Find the inductance per kilometer and capacitance to the neutral per kilometer of the line. They given clearly find the inductance per kilometers L value, capacitance to neutral per kilometer. So what they given data, first observe the numeric and write the given data. So given data what they given. So a single phase transmission line has its conductors at the corners of an equilateral triangle with side 4.5 meters. Means they given neatly. The conductors are in triangular shape. They also given all the distance between conductors are same. All the distance between the conductors are same means this is a symmetrical spacing. Symmetrical spacing. So what happens to symmetrical spacing? So conductor 1 to 2 distance D, 2 to 3 also D means conductor A, B, C all are having equal distance. So D is equal to 4.5 meters. And what they given radius of, they given diameter. So diameter of each conductor is 20 mm. What about radius? Radius R is equal D by 2 simply. R is equal D by 2. 20 by 2 that gives 10. Here the distance between conductors are in meters. Definitely change the radius of conductors also meter. If you put in radius of conductor in mm, definitely you put the distance between conductor also in mm. So put it in 1 unit. So next one is, what is the inductance formula for three-phase transmission line? They given neatly three-phase transmission line symmetrical spacing. So the formula is three-phase transmission line symmetrical spacing. For three-phase transmission line symmetrical spacing, L is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash. What is the R dash? R dash is equal to 0.7788 times of R. Calculate R dash value 0.7788 into R. You get the value. Substitute all the values. Log D, distance between conductors 4.5 meters, and also R dash value substitute. You can get inductance per kilometer. Sometimes they asking calculate loop inductance. Please remember students, they are, if they are asking loop inductance in single phase transmission line, not three phase transmission. So loop inductance present in single phase transmission. So definitely loop inductance is nothing but inductance of both conductors La plus Lb. The formula changes, that will give 4 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash. So remove this point. So if they asking please find the loop inductance means that is the 4 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash. So we finding the loop inductance also simply. So capacitance to neutral formula. Capacitance to neutral formula directly in symmetrical 2 pi epsilon naught log D by R only, because that is a not R dash. They have only radius of conductors. 2 pi epsilon naught log D by R. Substitute all the values, we get the answer. So example, another problem. A single phase transmission line has two parallel conductors 3 meters apart, radius of each conductor being 1 centimeter. Calculate the capacitance of the line per kilometer. Given that E naught value epsilon naught absolute permittivity 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter. So they given neatly in numeric a single phase transmission line. So what is the single phase transmission? Single phase transmission is nothing but they having two conductors. A single phase transmission, two conductors. Two conductors means conductor A, conductor B. Conductor A having positive charge, conductor B having negative charge. So two conductors are present. Single phase means definitely two conductors. The distance between two conductors is D. Conductor A having, please observe, the radius of conductor is 1 centimeter. Distance between conductor is 3 meters is equal to, in terms of centimeters, that is a 3 into 10 square 300 centimeters. So they are asking single phase transmission line. So what is the formula for single phase transmission line capacitance? Pi epsilon naught by log d by r. Substitute all the values, we get the answer. So next problem. A three conductors of a three phase line are arranged at the corner of a triangle of sides 2 meters, 2.5 meters and 4.5 meters. Calculate the inductance per kilometer of the line when the conductors are regularly transposed. The diameter of each conductor is 1.24 centimeters. So they given neatly the three conductors of three-phase line are arranged at the corners of an triangle. So please observe carefully. So they given 2 meters, 2.5 meters and 4.5 meters means this is a unsymmetrical spacing. First remember that one. So this is a three-phase line, unsymmetrical spacing. The distance between conductors are not same. So 1 to 2 D1 D23 D31. So for unsymmetrical spacing, what is the formula? For unsymmetrical spacing, definitely 2 into 10 power minus 7 log mutual GMD by self GMD. Here self GMD changes. So write the given data D12 2 meters, D23 2.5 meters and D31 4.5 meters. The conductor radius R is equal 1.24 by 2 because they given diameter. Find out radius. So equivalent spacing means GMD. So that is nothing but D12 into D23 into D31 whole power 1 by 3. For easily enough, first calculate self mutual GMD, we get the answer. So inductance per phase per meter, we know the formula 2 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash, or use this formula also. This formula also same. So one formula is 2 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash, or use this formula. What is this formula? Internal flux linkage plus external flux linkage, internal inductance plus external inductance. So internal inductance, what they give an internal inductance 0.5 into 10 power minus 7. So external inductance 2 into 10 power minus 7 log d by r. Use any one formula for analysis. I can put this formula. So which is the internal inductance plus external inductance, we get the answer. So another example, a overhead transmission line comprising of two parallel conductors having 1.5 centimeter diameter of each, conductor spacing is 1 meter. Calculate the loop inductive reactance of line at 50 Hz supply. So they given neatly two parallel conductors. So they given diameter 1.5 centimeters. Distance between two conductors is 1 meter. Change D is equal in terms of centimeters. D is equal 1 meter, that is equal 100 centimeters. Frequency F is equal 50 hertz. D is equal 1.5 centimeters. So what is the loop inductance formula? LA plus LB 2 into 2 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash, that becomes 4 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash. Use the formula, substitute all the values, you get the loop inductance. Once you know the loop inductance, the inductive reactance find out very easily. The inductive reactance XL is equal to 2 pi FL. Must remember the point, inductive reactance XL is equal to 2 pi FL. Substitute all the values, we get the inductive reactance. So another example is, calculate the per phase inductance and reactance of a balanced 3-phase 60 Hz line with horizontal phase spacing of 10 meters using 3 conductors bundling with a spacing between conductors in the bundle of 0.3 meters. Assume the line is uniformly transposed and the conductors have a 1 centimeter radius. So once again, calculate the per phase inductance and reactance of a balanced 3-phase 60 Hz line with horizontal phase spacing of 10 meters using 3 conductor bundling with a spacing between conductors in the bundle of 0.3 meters. Assume the line is uniformly transposed and the conductors have a 1 centimeter radius. If you observe, they are using the bundle conductors which are having 3 subconductors. So distance between two conductors is 10 meters. First calculate the distance between two subconductors is 0.3 meters. First observe the diagram carefully. They given in between two conductors is 10 meters. In between subconductors is 0.3 meters. How can you calculate it? By using the bundle conductor inductance. First calculate mutual GMD, which is a very simple, just like as a previous. So distance between conductor 1 to 2, D1 to 2 to 3, D23, 1 to 3, D13 whole power 1 by 3. D1 to D23, D31 whole power 1 by 3 is a mutual GMD. We get some value. Mutual GMD is equal to D1 to D23 D31, means 10 into 10 into 20 whole power 1 by 3, we get mutual GMD value. So what about self GMD? So the self GMD value, if they are using 3 bundle conductors, if they are using 3 bundle conductors, tell me the formula is R dash into D square whole power 1 by 3. What about R dash value? So what they given, line with horizontal spacing 10 meters using 3 conductors. So the radius they given 1 centimeters. So substitute radius R dash. How can you find out R dash is equal to 0.7788 times of R. R dash is equal to 0.7788 times of R. D is the distance between subconductor. Here the D is nothing but distance between subconductors, that is a 0.3 meters. Convert everything in meters, it is a simple. So R dash, we know the R dash value, spacing between conductors whole power 1 by 3, we get the geometric mean radius of conductor. So what is the formula for inductance? Is a same, inductance L is equal 2 into 10 power minus 7 log D by self GMD by mutual GMD. 2 into 10 power minus 7 log self GMD by mutual GMD. 2 into 10 power 7 log, sorry, 2 into 10 power minus 7 log dm by ds, mutual GMD by self GMD. So once observe, please observe the formula carefully. 2 into 10 power minus 7 log dm by ds. Substitute all the values, substitute mutual GMD, substitute, we know the mutual GMD and also self GMD. Substitute all the values, we get the inductance value. Once we know the inductance value, the reactance is reactance is X is equal to 2 pi Fl. Thank you.